Imagine being in court, struggling to pay your fees, and suddenly the judge gives you just 30 days to fix everything or face trial. What happens next will surprise you. Watch till the end.
I asked, I just emailed Brenda, and Brenda said they can't wait for probations. According to her.
The moment you pay these fees, the moment they dismiss these cases, when can you pay these fees?
I'm not sure. I don't want to give you an exact date and not fulfill with it. So
You told me the hallway potentially 2 months, Judge. They asked for a 4-month extension. Could we get 2 months?
It's going to be under bond condition during that time as well. You know, you're going to have to pay. The longer you take, the more you're going to end up paying in the long run, because you're going to have, what do you have now, an interlock?
Yes,
sober spam.
Soberly. All that costs money. The longer you take, the more.
That's why I've been backed up on it. My PO told me he would talk to y'all about, dropping it or potentially reducing it.
Tried, but it's not up to me. It's up to the DWI. It's their program. It doesn't run with me. They're the ones who file the dismissal. They're the ones who, write the terms. I only do the resets and either grant or deny the reset, But at some point, we need to put this baby to bed. It's 710 days old.
Yeah,
We can't just keep it open forever. What are you doing with yourself these days? Are you working?
I'm a waiter at Papacito's. I mean, I'm just doing what I can right
So
now.
pick up double shifts.
I mean, I tried to, but,
I worked at Papacito's. I made a killing.
you do. But I mean, I be paying off my bills and stuff.
Where do you live?
What was that?
Where do you live?
I mean, I live with my parents right now. I be paying them bills.
You're living with your folks.
Yeah, but I mean, it's just like if I'm living by myself, I have to pay rent, other things, utilities. So, I mean,
Do you
everything.
pay rent with mom and dad?
Yes, sir.
So if I call your mom and dad right now and I ask them if you're paying rent, they're going to tell me yes. What's the number? Let's do this. I need to give you a deadline to have this done.
I
We
understand.
can't keep this open forever. It's on you. If you need to get a second job because you're living at home, are you doing anything else besides working at Papacito's?
I mean, I just cut hair on the side. I mean, I got my barber's license, but
Okay, barber's license is not, you're going to have to perhaps get a third job and then, but you need to do what you need to do to get it done. I'm not going to hold it open forever. I'll give you 30 days, but it's already 710 days old. I'll give you 30 days. If you don't have it done by then, I'm going to set you for trial. We can't keep going. You need to do what you need to do. Are all the fees from what? And when was the last time he made a payment? That's unacceptable.
Like the last payment I see was November 14th, 2023.
Which was, he was paying for the taxes. He was paying for the IP.
and then the breathalyzer and all of that too.
The fees are for drug testing, supervision, the assessment fee, and so, yeah, that's it.
So the assessment one was 300.
The $300 for the assessment fee.
But it's been 2 years.
A bit over a year.
Well, since you said what?
November 14th.
Yeah, it's been a year.
Was the last payment.
It's time. You need to get this paid. Start working double shifts. Do what you need to do to get more money. Okay? So we'll give you 30 days. You got to come back in 30 days and see where we are. If you've not made a payment in 30 days, things are not going to go well. You understand? Okay. All right, guys. I'll see you in 30 days. Up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. One more, Your Honor.
On September 6, 2024, officers were dispatched to an assault at a residence in Harris County, Texas. Officers made contact with the complainant. The complainant was picking up a DoorDash order, returned to her vehicle, and removed an empty cup and placed it on the floor in the parking lot. The complainant stated that the defendant grabbed the cup, threw it back inside the vehicle, and the complainant placed the cup outside the vehicle once more, and the defendant grabbed the cup, placed the rock inside, and the defendant threw the cup with the rock at her, striking the left side of her face, causing pain. The complainant stated the defendant grabbed her windshield wiper and the two engaged in a verbal altercation. The complainant states the defendant grabbed a handgun from his vehicle, held it by his waistband, but did not point it at the complainant. The complainant stated the complainant stated to the defendant that she was enrolled in a police academy, was calling 911, and that's when the defendant left the scene.
Okay. Mr. Lopez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to have any contact with this person and not to be in possession of weapons. If you violate these conditions, I'm going to put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. You understand?
Yes, sir.
See that there's no bond set now.
Correct.
You guys want to do?
It's just a misdemeanor, Judge. We're looking at 500 to 1,000.
Okay. What do you think?
We're going to post it, so 1,000.
Okay. We'll set it at 1,000. Do you have any open cases now? Are there any open cases now? All right, I will give you a PR bond now, but I'm going to tell you, Mr. Lopez, this is it. I'm not going to give you another one. You violate conditions, do something you're not supposed to. I'm going to do everything in my power to protect the public in every single manner, however I can. So beware that we have eyes on you now. Any false move, we're just going to put you in jail. You understand? You know, you're lucky. One false move with that gun, because it's very tempting. You could be hit with a second-degree felony. God forbid someone else didn't have a gun. I was reading a report yesterday or a couple of days ago where same kind of deal, two people getting at it, one blew the other away. Dead. You never know who's on the other end of that argument and whether they have a gun or not. You gotta be careful. Life's way too short for this. For now, I'm going to have you sign a receipt with Victoria. We'll get you a pre-trial for your bond and your paperwork, and then we'll have you sign your bond conditions, and then you'll be on your way. You have a lawyer, so we will waive your appearance, but it's your responsibility to stay in touch with jail, and she'll tell you when you have to come back to court. If she tells me she can't get a hold of you because you're gone or you're ducking and dodging phone calls, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. Pick up a new case, violate conditions, same thing. Do you have any questions? Just be nice. It's not hard, you know? So, all right, guys, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, Jane.
May I be excused?
Yes.
Judge, did you set the bond?
1,000. I granted a PR bond.
This case shows how one mistake, one delay, can change your entire future. If you want more real courtroom stories, powerful lessons, and eye-opening moments like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications. Stay connected, because the next story could be even more shocking.